Today we're out at the Middle Fork Preserve, East Central Illinois, and we're going to do the Need for Speed test drone style. That's right, we have the DJi Mini 5 Pro right here. We have the Mini 5 Pro battery, but we also have the Mini 3 Pro battery. We're going to test these out and get these going as fast as we can, have a little fun here, see which one's faster, just see how much speed we can get up to. Let's do it. First up, we have the Mini 5 Pro battery. Let's get this thing going, see how fast we can go. Let's get this guy up in the air. And we're off to the races. And this is the DJi Mini 5 Pro battery. We're gonna go straight out about 3,000 feet to the road. We'll go right to this road here, and we'll use that as our turnaround spot so that we make this as even as possible. Let's turn this around. There's our home point, and let's race back. We're up at 39, 40 miles an hour. 41.8, 42. We hit 42.1. 42.6 was our highest, I see. 43 we hit. 43 miles per hour. Can we get that on the other battery? That's really the question, isn't it? Get a little bit of this. Come by the pond. There we go. Got a little bit of movement out. That'll conclude that test there. We should be pretty close. We tried the Mini 5 Pro battery. Let's get this Mini 3 Pro battery in, see what kind of speed we can get out of this thing. I'm ready for this. Hope you are. And we'll go out about 3,000 feet. This is the Mini 3 Pro battery. And we're at 28, and we'll just stop there at 29 approximately, 2,900 feet that is out. We will line that up the best we can, and here we go. We are on our way. Let's see what kind of speed we can get. We're a little off from the path, 41 miles an hour, 40, almost 42 there, 42.6. There we go, 42.3. We're staying over 42 miles an hour. This is the Mini 3 Pro battery. Over 43, I seen it hit. Let's get some 4K of this footage. It's real nice. 42, we're still at 42. Nice footage. We'll go ahead and turn that off so you can see the speed. We just stayed over 42. And it's right above me. Okay, that will conclude our test.